winter is always the most popular month as far as my sales goes and my pieces go. So I want to show you some of the winter pieces that I have just up at the show, and show you how many variations of winter I have done. So this first one is called the hammock view. Okay, now you're not going to be hanging in a hammock in the winter, I understand that, but it's kind of like a snow angel view. And then this is Tahoe Crisp, and that was inspired by a picture that I took in Lake Tahoe. This is Enchanted Winter, okay, and that has the little cardinal on it. And then Winter Crisp is here, and this is a big guy over here, but I do make smaller versions. This is Winter Grace down here. This is Winter Deep, which inspired the whole Deep series. This is the Miniature Winter's Glow, which has always been one of my most popular winter series that I ever created. But here's a couple others. And these are some small ones. So this is a winter, but then this one is as well with the blues. I have a couple other winters that are fun. This is my winter postcard right there. And then the do-it-yourself kit also has winter up here and winter right next to it. Are my most popular winter pieces. And I want to show you these two guys. One is called Solace, and that's this guy here. And this has the reflection of the lake in it, you can see down there. And then it's just a beautiful kind of black and white winter scene. And I only have a small version of that available right now. The big one has sold, and I've sold many versions of it, but this is my most popular one. And this is called Winter Blues. And just so you see, this is in the sunlight, so you can really see, of course I can't see it on my phone, all the sparkle that it has when it's in the sun. And those two have become my most popular winter pieces. Winter's Glow was always the most popular one that I had, and it's still very beautiful. But those two, Solace and Winter Blues, have become the favorites now. Thanks for joining me.